Hello viewers, once again in my another new video in front of camera. Today I want to share about riverside and the beauty of environment in my side. You can say in my side have a wonderful and small river. I come here and I work on riverside. Uh, nature have your mind refresh and when you come here and you sitting in riverside. The water sound and the around the bird chirping sound and the nature is so attractive to your mind. And if you feel lonely, you come here and you enjoy your time. When you sitting alone and walking alone on the riverside, I think you refresh your mind. In this reason, when I come here and I feel in this time, in this reason I make this video. So thanks for watching my video. I will share in my next video. Tada.